May I have your attention, please?
So what we finished up talking last unit was about the things that we eat, like these chickens over here, and the organelles inside of our body that may utilize those things. Now, a chicken, as it eats its food, it produces waste. And the reason it does that is to maintain a balance inside of their body, to maintain a stable internal system. If they don't have the stuff going into their cells that they need, they won't have the right stuff to be able to live life. And so a chicken, just like you and me, has to consume the right things to keep a balance inside. Now, how is this bird going to get these worms that she's eating now inside of all of her cells? Well, that falls to one special organelle, and that's the cell membrane. So cell membranes actually provide a really important process for maintaining what is referred to as homeostasis. Homeostasis, the balance of the body. And they do this in a really, really cool way. How they regulate what comes in and what comes out. But this chicken, with the food that it eats, it's going to take that and it's going to break it back down and create, well, turn it into those biomolecules that we've been studying about. Carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and nucleic acids. And in this unit, we're going to talk a lot about lipids and a lot about proteins, because both of those are very important parts in this very special organelle that we're going to be learning about. So let's go over and take a look at that organelle in a different way. Now, the organelle that I was talking about that does such an amazing job at helping to regulate and control what goes into our cells and out of our cells and maintain that balance of homeostasis is the cell membrane. All of our cells have cell membranes. Everything that has cells has cell membranes. And so as a result, because everyone has one, these are a great example of this idea of homeostasis, this idea of maintaining balance. And in reality, chickens produce a very easy cell membrane for us to study. Every so often, a chicken will lay an egg. And these eggs are actually nothing more than cells. This is one cell. Each egg represents a single cell that is then protected and coated with a layer of calcium in order to make sure that it doesn't pop and burst whenever it's laid and then set upon. But if we were to remove that calcium out of the way, all we would see left behind is just the cell membrane. Now, in this unit, you're going to get an opportunity in your class and in your lab to be able to take this shell off and see the membrane inside. And we're going to see what happens when we change that homeostasis. We can make the egg bigger, we can make the egg smaller, and do all kinds of different things to our cell membrane. So when you think homeostasis and you think balance, I want you to think about the cell membrane. Thanks, guys. Enjoy your science.
May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? Will the real Slim Shady please stand up? I repeat, will the real Slim Shady please stand up? We're gonna have a problem here.